I'm so scared. Ooh. Hi guys, it's Shakshi Shetty and welcome to my channel. In my today's video, we're going to be trying some of the hacks from 5-Minute Crafts. I've picked out 5 hacks that I'm going to try today. So if you want to see more parts of this, hit the like button and subscribe. So the first hack that I have here is the nail paint one. And yeah, that does happen to me. Like, so if you're someone clumsy like me, then that does happen. Let's find out if it works. So I've got the 2 items. I've got Fevicol over here and the nail paint. I'm just gonna try it with like 2 fingers for I'm doing it. So I've put it on my 2 fingers. So my fingers have pretty much dried out. Now I'm gonna put the nail paint and I'm purposely gonna mess it up. So I've put the nail paint like around the fingers. Now I'm gonna peel it off. If you're someone with OCD and you just can't stand like the nail paint outside your nail area, then you can try this out probably, but I am not someone who has so much patience, so it's not for me. This hack is crazy, dude. If this works, I might be the reason many relationships get spoiled. Can you all see the food in the camera? Sorry, I was eating. She basically takes the fingerprint off the phone and then she uses it and it unlocks. One thing that didn't click me earlier because I'm that stupid is that I can't do the fingerprint thing in this because this is like the Face ID. I'm using the iPhone X. Yes, I'm shooting this at 12:51 at night. I'm weird. Anyway, but what I can do is I can check this in my laptop. Like laptop, there's a fingerprint here. Like I put this fingerprint in my MacBook Pro. So I'm gonna take this fingerprint and I tape the fingerprint here. This is it. I've taken the fingerprint really well. I'm gonna wear this in my other finger without disturbing it. I'm placing this tape on the fingerprint area. Did it get unlocked? No. It says Touch ID. It says Touch ID or enter passcode. Put the tape, but it's showing try again over here. That means it doesn't work. Nuh-uh, this doesn't work. Let's try the next one. Oh, so it works like a lid. Let's try it. So I've got golden color balloon over here. I love golden color balloons, like completely my kind of aesthetic. Anyway, let's fill this up. Okay, and I've got a coffee bottle over here. I hope this really works because it's like a brand new bottle of coffee. I'm gonna like twist it after it. Okay, like this. So there's supposed to be good pressure on the lid. Now I'm gonna twist this, and now is a very crucial part because like this is a brand new jar of coffee, and if this spills, my homies are gonna kill me. It's worked. It's working. This worked. Okay, I think this is a pass. Let's see what the next one is. Lazy ways to curl your hair. I'm very scared about this, dude. I might just burn my finger or something. She does it damn easily though. I'm super scared about this one, I'm not gonna lie. So I'm gonna grab a section which is away from my face. And I always like to first use a heat protectant I'm gonna do that. I've used it so much, it's almost getting over. I need to get a new one. Anyway, I'm using the WOW 10-in-1 Hair Revitaliser. You all know how much I love WOW products. It's very easy because it's like the spray thing, so you just have to do pss, pss. All the ingredients are plant-based ingredients. When you receive the box of this product, there'll be a QR code on the box. You can scan that from your phone and it'll be like a sign of authenticity. And they also have their app. So if you want to download the app, the link is going to be in the bio. Spritz it with some revitalizer. I've got my pencil here. I'm gonna just push the rest of the hair behind. Yep, so it's twisted. My green color is like going away. I need to like get a new hair color done. Comment down below what color should I do next. Let's use this. I'm so scared. I'm like, wait, what? Dude, that is a curl. It does work. It does work. This curl is so perfect, dude. Now let me try and like scatter it. This works. Let's move on to the last one for today. Oh no, my popcorn's over. What am I gonna do now? The drama between the two though. Ew, the straightener looks so dirty though. Like when they zoomed in on the straightener, it looks so unhygienic, and she puts that in her mouth. That looks so unhygienic, and she ate it from the straightener. So I sanitized my straightener really well, but I'm still not gonna eat it. Like even if it pops. I went ahead and got some popcorn corn. Is that what these are called? Popcorn corn? Popcorn corn. Let's try it. So it's already heated up, so I'm gonna place it without burning my hand. But that one fell down. So difficult to like place one when it's hot. It's like, how do I place one when it's so hot? It's like, okay, this one stayed. Let's hold it. What's the time now? It's 1:09. Let's see how. Yes, I'm shooting this at 1:09 now. I don't know if I'm just voluntarily spoiling my straightener because this is the only one that I have, and this is a really good one. Oh, I can see like slight steam also coming out of this. There's steam coming out of this. Is my straightener gonna be okay after this?
2,000 years later.
Oh my god, this takes so much time. In the video, she just did it like, held it for a few seconds and popped. Oh my god, my hands are genuinely paining now. Ah. Why won't this pop? My hands are paining. Oh. It bursted, but yeah, it did turn into a popcorn. Finally. But what a complete waste of time. Like it literally takes 1 minute for one popcorn corn to turn into a popcorn. So those were some of the 5-minute craft hacks that I tried. If you guys want to see more, hit the like button and I'll do more parts. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the bell icon, and I'll see you all next time.